The second part of this video talks about the biomechanics of bird flight. We will be looking at different forces acting on the flying bird and dig deeper into the theory of flight, including Airfoil and Bernoulli's principle. The different forces acting on the flying bird are thrust, lift, drag, and weight. Weight is the same as gravity, which is the force that attracts things toward the center of the earth, keeping them firmly on the ground. For a bird to fly, it must overcome this force to stay airborne. Drag is the resistance from the air that pushes against the bird. Just think about how walking into a strong wind is hard work, or if you tried parachute jumping, it probably feels the same. That's what it's like for a bird when it flies. Thrust is the force that pushes a bird forward through the air and beats drag. This comes from flapping the wings, which pushes the air to move behind the bird. By pushing the air backward, the bird is pushed forward. It's a bit like swimming. Lift is the upward force that birds use to beat gravity. It comes from the way that air moves as a fluid. If you have air moving faster over the top of something than underneath it, it will be lifted upward by the pressure difference. Wings and feathers have a special shape, called an airfoil. The upper surface of the wing is curved more strongly than that of the under surface. This forces the air to move more quickly over the top than underneath, and therefore creates the lift a bird needs to beat gravity. As air moves over the top of the wing, the air has a longer distance to travel than the air moving under the wing. Velocity equals distance over time, and time is the same. Therefore, velocity and distance are of direct ratio. According to Bernoulli's principle, a faster moving fluid produces less pressure than the same fluid moving at a slower speed, so there's less pressure above the wing, and so the net force brings the bird outward, creating lift. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.